Here we have a 2021 BMW 320i XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you've got the 19-inch alloy wheels complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got the Alpine white exterior paintwork on this vehicle, which looks fantastic with the black features around the vehicle. Of course, you've got the kidney grills at the front just there. Going around to this corner you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel. You've then got your colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've also got the sliding glass sunroof on this vehicle as well, shark fin antenna at the rear, spoiler lip just behind as well. Really adds to the back end just there. Now we've also got front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera, dual exit exhaust tips, one on either side, and as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It's worth noting before we get in, we do also have the adaptive M chassis on this vehicle as well. Now going on to the interior, we've got a full black Vinasca leather interior, and how fantastic do these seats look. ISOFIX points within the seats. We've got the M Sports colours within the seat belts, which look superb as well. Climate controls in the centre, brushed metal handle, electric window controls and the integrated sound system on the doors. Going on to the front, we've got that same full black Vinasca leather interior, and again, how fantastic do these seats look. We've got a contrasting stitching there too. There's a look at your sunroof from inside. Now both front seats are heated, which can be controlled in the middle, as well as your dual zone climate controls. You've then got more of those brushed metal handles, unlock and lock button, power folding electric wing mirrors with electric window controls. You've also got your auto lights, multifunctional steering wheel, digital display ahead, and of course the infotainment screen in the centre. And there is a look at the centre console. Now we are still awaiting a full valet on this vehicle, and as soon as it gets one we will be filming a more in-depth video showcasing all of the car's features. But until then, if you would like to learn more about this vehicle, have a look down in the description below where you will find all of the relevant information. Now that is all from me on today's video, so thank you for watching.